Next Moonshot prediction. Welcome to the future of Digital Crypto Decoded. Hey Crypto fam, I'm Alex and welcome to the channel where I'll dive deep into the digital revolution. You know, I'm all about bringing you the real talk and the cutting edge of news and facts, the present and the future. We're talking about the decentralized world, the blockchain, and all the incredible innovations happening right now, and what is to come. It's an exhilarating time to be part of this movement, isn't it? Welcome to the digital and artificial intelligence revolution, a brand new world as we know it. But before we blast off into the stratosphere of digital assets, let's get one thing super clear right off the bat. I know many of you are here looking for that golden nugget, that insider tip, that definitive answer on where the market is headed. And believe me, if I had a crystal ball, I'd be shouting it from the digital rooftops. But here's the absolute truth. I cannot, under any circumstances, provide you with financial advice. My purpose is to inform, not to instruct you on how to manage your hard-earned capital. It is also to empower you with knowledge, not to lead you down a potentially risky path. Even more importantly, and this is crucial for anyone navigating the volatile waters of crypto, I cannot speculate on future cryptocurrency prices like some other channels are doing. That includes XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other digital asset you can think of. Will XRP goes to $35 before the end of the year? Who truly knows? The whales. Maybe. Yes, it's going up, but I can't tell you, right? It will be $35 in a few months. You see, the digital asset space plays a very unpredictable dance. Let's be real for a second. Predicting asset prices, especially in a market as dynamic as crypto, is fundamentally impossible. This isn't your grandma's stock market, folks. We're talking about a whole new paradigm, a digital frontier where things move at light speed and react to a million different forces. When we talk about assets like XRP, the challenge of prediction becomes even more pronounced. XRP, like many cryptocurrencies, is known for its incredible volatility. One week it's soaring, the price just dropped to $2.82 from an all-time high of $3.60 just a few weeks ago. And then the next week it's consolidating, and that's just the nature of this exciting yet unpredictable beast. So, what makes these digital assets so incredibly difficult to pin down? It's a complex interplay of factors that are constantly shifting, making any definitive prediction a fool's errand. First, we have market sentiment, which can swing wildly based on news, rumors, or even just the collective mood of the crypto community. A single tweet can send ripples through the entire ecosystem. Then there are the regulatory developments, which are a massive wildcard in the crypto space. Governments and financial bodies around the world are still figuring out how to handle digital assets, and any new ruling or even a hint of one can dramatically impact prices. It's a constantly evolving landscape that keeps everyone on their toes. Technological advancements also play a huge role. New upgrades, breakthroughs, or even security vulnerabilities within a blockchain project can send its value skyrocketing or plummeting. The pace of innovation in this space is relentless, and it directly influences market dynamics. And let's not forget the overall economic conditions. Global inflation, interest rates, geopolitical events. These macro factors might seem distant, but they absolutely influence how investors view and allocate capital into risk assets like cryptocurrencies. It's a global dance, and crypto is right in the middle of it. Crypto, I know you're hungry for those moonshots, those juicy price targets, those definitive investment strategies, like you see in so many videos and channels on YouTube. And believe me, if I could responsibly provide that kind of content, I would. You know what though? Maybe I will soon. But for this specific video, I wanted it to be different, and there's a very good reason for that, even though that's a decision that requires personal financial assessment and professional advice. Let's talk about XRP in a bit more depth. While I won't predict its price today perfectly, I can tell you that I would be shocked if it doesn't reach at least double digits, say $12 at the end of this year. Crap! I just made a prediction. Oh well, XRP is a cryptocurrency created by Ripple Labs, designed with a very specific and ambitious purpose. Its primary design purpose is to facilitate fast, low-cost, and efficient international transactions. Think of it as a bridge currency, designed to make cross-border payments smoother and cheaper than traditional banking systems. Its utility lies in its potential use in facilitating cross-border payments for financial institutions. Ripple aims to solve the inefficiencies of traditional correspondent banking by offering a faster and more transparent way to move money globally. Understanding its fundamental technology and use case is far more valuable than chasing speculative price targets. It's also crucial to understand the inherent risks associated with investing in cryptocurrencies. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a high-stakes game with significant potential for both gains and losses. We're talking about high volatility where prices can swing dramatically in short periods. There's also regulatory uncertainty, as the legal framework for crypto is still evolving. And sadly, the space is not immune to potential for scams, so vigilance is key. This brings us to the absolute importance of personal due diligence. Before you even think about putting your hard-earned money into any digital asset, you must conduct thorough research. Understand the project, its technology, its team, and its market. Don't just follow the hype. Dig deep and understand what you're investing in. And always, always, always consider consulting with a qualified financial advisor. Let's reiterate some critical points because in the world of crypto, clarity is king. Remember, the information I provide, everything we discuss on this channel, is for educational purposes only. It's designed to help you understand the complex world of cryptocurrency, to equip you with knowledge, and to empower you to make your own informed decisions. It is not, under any circumstances, to be considered investment advice. I cannot stress this enough. Investing in cryptocurrencies carries significant risks. You could lose some or even all of your money. The market is unpredictable, and past performance is absolutely no guarantee of future results. This is a high-risk, high-reward environment, and you need to be prepared for both possibilities. So, as you navigate this exciting, yet challenging landscape, always remember these final recommendations. Always do your own research. Dive into white papers, analyze market trends, understand the technology. Be skeptical of hype and focus on fundamentals. And before making any investment decisions, especially significant ones, consult with a qualified financial advisor. They are the professionals who can provide tailored guidance based on your individual circumstances. Before you exit, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be updated when a new video is released, and leave a comment to help us with the work we are doing for you. Also, I would really appreciate it if you could share this message with someone you know who needs to hear benefit from it. Stay informed, stay safe, and keep building the future. Yes, your future.